first look of the OnePlus Nord. Hey guys, so, OnePlus is steadily teasing more and more details of the OnePlus Nord, and the company has posted a teaser video to its Instagram page, showcasing the upcoming phone. The teaser gives us a first look at the design, and a few hardware features, like the positioning of the cameras, and the layout of the buttons. The video then quickly transitions to a shot of the phone's back, where we see the thin rectangular camera cutout, OnePlus logo in the middle, and the LED flash which is separated from the camera modules. The design itself looks similar to that of the OnePlus 8 series, but the highlight at the front is the wide cutout that houses dual 32 and 8 megapixels cameras. The cutout sits to the left side, and we also get a look at the rear camera housing, which once again is similar to the OnePlus 8 series. The key difference here is that the housing is located to the left corner, whereas the OnePlus 8 and 8 Pro have a centered camera housing at the back. Other details include the power button on the right, just below the alert slider, and the volume rocker to the left. In addition to the video, we also got confirmation that the device will be powered by the Snapdragon 765G chipset straight from the OnePlus Nord page on Amazon India. This is hardly a surprise, as OnePlus co-founder Carl Pei revealed the news in an interview earlier this week. It remains to be seen how many phones will be announced by OnePlus, given that Nord is a series and not just one device. The only certain thing is that the Nord series will be competing in the mid-range segment where OnePlus started its journey back in 2014. So that's it for this video. Let me know what do you think about the OnePlus Nord. Also, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this, and I will see you in my next video.